So I did not contribute to this much, but we put these posts in the ground for the SunShade Sail that we're going to put over top of our pool because it's hot in Louisiana. Now that we have it in the hole, we're going to fill this hole with this post fix. This is like the equivalent of like a 50-pound bag of concrete, but this is like way easier and way quicker. It's not for ducks. Not for the ducks. So this is a quick process. You have 15 seconds after you pop this seal right here to shake this up, and then after 15 seconds you want to cut the edge up here and then pour it in the hole. You have to be quick about this because if not, it starts expanding in the bag, it gets very hot and it can explode. So you have to be very fast about it and always point this corner away from your face. So now because we have these 4x4 posts in the ground, we only need one bag. It's technically a little more than we need, but we're just going to use one bag per post. And then you let these, it sets in 3 to 5 minutes, and then it is cured in 2 hours. So in 2 hours we will come back out and we will attach the sunshade and show you guys how we did that. Try to get it on all sides. Alright, so you see it is expanding. This stuff is very hot, so do not touch it. So you're gonna let that just keep expanding. It'll take 3 to 5 minutes for it to solidify, and then you wait 2 hours. After the 2 hours, you can come back and cut off the excess that is up around the ground, and it'll hold it firmly in place. And that's pretty much that. And it's way faster than doing concrete, in my personal opinion. I prefer these over concrete, and it's just faster. So this is my duck Rim. Say hi, Rim. Hey, Rim. Hello, ducky. We have another duck, but she don't like being picked up. Okay, bye-bye. So, I hope you guys found this helpful on securing your post into the ground. Yeah, wah, wah. So, see you guys in the next video.